Okay, so today is my wash day. It's been about a week and a half since I washed my hair, and as you can see, it's dry and it's crazy and it's unmoisturized and undefined, and it's just is ready to be washed. So I'm gonna try and make this video as short as possible because we all know that wash days are long, but I just wanted to show you guys like my wash and go curly hair routine. Like wash it, style it, it's good for about a week and a half until it's time to wash it again. So the shampoo that I use on my hair has been the same shampoo for probably the last 2 years. I've been using this shampoo, which is the Palmer's coconut oil conditioning shampoo. And of course it's sulfate free, paraben free, no dyes, no gluten, none of that, which is the number one thing you're looking for in anything that you're putting in your hair. So yeah, this is my go-to shampoo. You can get it literally anywhere. Walmart is where I get mine, or Target. Usually I like to try different conditioners. I haven't necessarily found like my just go-to conditioner that I just want to continue buying, so I've been switching them out a lot. So right now I'm using the Renpure Argan Oil Luxurious Conditioner, and I chose this because the bottle is huge and I go through conditioner like nobody's business. So that's really why I chose it. And of course, the same thing, no sulfates, parabens, dyes. And I love Renpure. I love their products. I've used their products before. And I love argan oil. So far, I'm almost out of this bottle. I really love it. I think I might buy it again. My hair has been flourishing. So yeah, Renpure argan oil. Yeah, I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna go wash my hair. Be back in 5 hours. So my hair is washed, it's combed out. I combed it out in the shower with a wide tooth comb, and now I'm gonna go in with my Palmer's Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. You can get this at any beauty supply store. You can get it at Walmart. You should be able to get it at Target, but they're literally like $1.50, $2, and I stock up on them because they're so cheap. But I'm gonna keep this in my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out with cold water. And the reason that I rinse it out with cold water is because cold water is gonna close up my pores and it's gonna lock all the protein into my hair. You know, when you use hot water, it's opening up your pores, it's opening up your hair follicles. But when you use cold water, it's closing it all up and locking in all that moisture. So cold water. Deep conditioners washed out of my hair, and it's ready to be styled. And today I'm gonna only use 2 products to style my hair, and they're both from Shea Moisture. First is gonna be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, and I swear by this. This is delicious. It's amazing. It's a must-have. And then I'm going to style my hair with the Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which I've been talking about for weeks because it's an amazing product. It's something that I keep stocked at all times. Both of these are. So I'm gonna get a good amount of the leave-in conditioner. And I'm literally just going to comb it into my hair. Try to make sure I get all my hairs. And I like to do this motion here because I feel like that's how I'm covering all my hair. So now I'm going to go in with the Coconut Hibiscus Smoothie and take a good amount of that. And I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing that I did with the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner. I know a lot of people like to section off their hair when they're applying product. I feel that that helps with definition when you're kind of going strand by strand. But I like volume more than I like definition. So I just like to keep a little bit of my hair frizzy. All right, so now my hair is wet it's styled. You of course have the choice to air dry. I love air drying my curls, but today I'm gonna use a diffuser, and I know you've probably seen this one. It looks like a hand. It's the DevaCurl diffuser, and I love it. I also have just a regular circle diffuser that you can get from Walmart or Target, but I'm gonna use this one today. All right, so we're done diffusing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair pick and I'm gonna pick out hair for more volume, because the bigger, the better. Period. Okay. So last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some oil on my hair. Nothing too greasy. I'm using the Divines or Divines. I honestly don't want to pronounce it. They're oil. I don't know. I don't even know how to pronounce it or what it is, but I love this product. As you can see, I've been using it. I just go ahead and squirt a little bit into the palm there. And this just helps with frizz and shine and just kind of brings everything together. I get a lot of frizz in the back of my hair, so yeah. So that is it. That's my current curly hair routine after my wash day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're gonna go try this for yourself, leave me some feedback, let me know something. If you have any other product recommendations, I would love to hear them.